Sri Lanka is one of the most sought after places on earth where wildlife could be seen at its finest. Here I post this documentary to you all with my very personal experience with Asia's biggest wild elephants in their natural habitat. What's up guys, today I'm going on a safari in the Vaskomu National Park in Sri Lanka. Vaskomu National Park is a dry evergreen forest with high biodiversity and one of the biggest national parks in Sri Lanka, located bordering the Central Highland and the North Central provinces. This park is located near Hettipola town, about 230 kilometers away from Colombo city. Guys, I'm now in the park entrance. I want to buy a ticket. I think this way the ticket comes. My tickets and rental for the Jeep Safari cost me around $70. Let's head to the visitor center. Here we can see a collection of skulls and preserved specimens of some of the wild animals found in the national park, such as elephants, Sri Lankan axis deer, buffaloes, crocodiles, leopards, and other local species. Vaskomu National Park is the fourth biggest national park in Sri Lanka. It consists of 37,000 hectares and is also home to many endemic flora and fauna. The landscape of National Park consists of open grasslands, dense tropical forests, scrub and riverine forest. We began the safari in the afternoon when it was quite hot outside. I was quite excited when I entered the forest because going on a safari is simply one of the most incredible activities we can do in our lifetime. Due to the overwhelming heat, the animals had moved to cool and shady areas of the surrounding forest, so we couldn't have had many opportunities to watch them during the hotter hours of the day. But as the evening approached, animals gathered on the grassland to have their evening meal in peace, at which time I was able to see hundreds of elephants. Look at these dark and handsome elephants on the grassland. They grab the grass and eat. Baby elephants play with their mothers. Wow, such a remarkable scenery. The most fascinating story is that Vaskomu Park is home to the largest elephants in all of Asia. During my safari at Vaskomu Park, I was amazed to spot some elephants that were larger than any I have had ever seen in other Sri Lankan forests. They are known as marshy elephants, a unique breed that has thrived in the park's marshy environment. The marshy elephants of Vaskomu Park have been able to grow such immense sizes due to the perfect conditions that the park offers. The availability of an abundance of food in the forest, coupled with the marshy environment, has provided the ideal habitat for these majestic creatures to flourish and become the largest elephants in Asia. During our safari at Wascombe Park, we had a heart-stopping moment when we encountered an aggressive elephant. We couldn't find the reason why this elephant was acting aggressively or what provoked it. At first, we were petrified by the elephant's unpredictable movements, but we quickly realized that the best course of action was to switch off the engine, sit quietly and respectfully give the elephant space to express its behavior without disturbance. After a tense moment, the elephant eventually moved away from us, so we continued our safari in peace. It was a reminder of the importance of respecting the wildlife and their natural habitat. If you are seeking a truly unforgettable wildlife experience, then you indeed have to go to Wascombe National Park in Sri Lanka. This park is a hidden gem that is less frequented by travelers, but believe me, the journey is well worth it.